Now let's design the path after the managers approves the annual leave request approval form. Okay, so there are some scenarios. Let's assume the duration of leave request is more than paid leave days. Then it will also decrease my unpaid leave days. So I will have to calculate it in order to update my database. So let's first take our decision tool, and if it is approved, let's say approve, and the background color will be green. I will have to inherit mandatory field control because here there is reason of revision. It's mandatory if it goes from send to revision button. Okay, so let's calculate the remaining days as well as the day difference between the days that I have as paid leave request. I get the calculate tool, and the decision is duration of leave more than paid leave days, or I don't have to type, but the formula I'll have to. So the formula is duration of leave request more than my paid leave days. Sorry, here I must have, yeah. What if it is more than paid leave days? Then I will just calculate the day difference between the day difference between duration of leave minus paid leave days. Okay, so here I can just calculate the day difference between the duration of leave request and the how many days I have as paid leave days. This is the first calculate tool. I will calculate it, and then I will have to have another calculate tool. It is the remaining days. Let's say here remaining days. It will be numeric. Day difference as well. It will be numeric. So here, let's calculate the day difference with this formula. Day difference is duration of leave request minus paid leave days, and remaining days is this time unpaid leave days minus the day difference. Okay, so if my request of leave days is more than my paid leave days, then it will just decrease my unpaid leave days, and this is the calculation. And let's say it remaining days. I think I have typed this wrong. Let's change the viewed name. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's good. Now I will update my database according to this information.